Hey, Steve here. I want to talk about retirement money. So, eventually, no matter what age you are, you're eventually going to have to start thinking about retirement. And uh, some people have enough money to to live well in retirement, and some people need to work during so-called retirement years. Um, and bookkeeping business is an excellent business to do during retirement or when you're getting close to retirement. I actually recommend you get it started uh, before you retire. That way, when you do retire, it's something that you just transition into real easily. But it's something that you can start at any time if you've already retired and you want to make a little extra money or a lot of extra money. So um, I want to talk about, say, four different things that having your own bookkeeping business during retirement. The benefits of doing that. One is it's easy money. Uh, Doing bookkeeping for a client, small business clients, is really easy money. It's just a couple hours a month. So each client that you pick up, it's just a few hours per month of bookkeeping that they need. They don't need, these big companies, they have full-time accountants and stuff like that. But small businesses, they really just need a couple hours of bookkeeping per month. Now, uh, when you take over the books for a small business, or you um, or if you create the books from scratch, after you do it for the first month or second month, it becomes very easy because you get to know that client. Um, all the messes are cleaned up, and just going forward, it's real easy maintenance of those books. And so it makes it really easy on a monthly basis to do. It's not hard work. Once you learn bookkeeping, it's not hard work. Um, the other thing is, I'm in a parking lot here at the ocean. So another thing is it's recurring revenue. So let's say you pick up a small bookkeeping client, charged $200-$300 a month. Beatles, nothing is real. So your that money is recurring. So again, let's say you pick up a bookkeeping client, small one. It takes a couple hours per month to do it, and you make a couple $100 off that client, and that happens every month. And then let's say you want to get another one, or you have the capacity to do another one. You pick up another client, so you can have as many as you want. And that's my third point, is you can control the volume of work that you have. If you want to spend a lot of time with, say, your grandkids, and you have just a little bit of time on the weekends or whatnot to work on your bookkeeping, you can have one client, you can have 10 clients, that you can have 20 clients. That is all up to you. That's your choice. It's not like a brick and mortar business where you open the doors and then you can't control how many people come in. Every client that you take on is under your control, and it's one that you have determined fits well with what you want for a client. And so you have total control over, just one client, two clients, etc. And you just start with one, and then you get the second one when you're comfortable with it. So then the fourth thing that having your own bookkeeping business in retirement is what I'm doing right now. Is I'm in my Sprinter van. I'm at the beach, and I could work. I'm not working, but I'm making this video. But I could work. You can drive across country, visit every state you want everyone to see, and work a little bit. Do that a couple hours per month per client, however many clients. Let's say you have 5 clients. That's 5. Let's say they're all about 3 hours of work each. That's 15 hours per month you're going to work, and the rest of the time you're going to be driving around doing fun stuff. I look around this parking lot right now. There's another Sprinter van there. There's another Sprinter van there. I think there's vans all over the place. This is a surf spot. So, but that's how, like, I could go surfing right now and then do an hour of bookkeeping if I wanted. So the flexibility that it gives you is really amazing. So this is what I'm going to be doing when I retire. So just cruising around doing the things I want to do and putting in a little work here and there whenever I want. So anyways, I just want to pass that on to you. Think about it for retirement, as a retirement type of business. If you're young, you can think about it for a bigger type of situation. But if you're retiring and you want to still be able to make a little extra money and keep your brain active, that's another good benefit from it. You can do that, and I recommend that. So I plan on working until I pass away, because I don't mind working. I don't mind doing this type of work, and it helps keep your brain active and meet new people all the time. So anyways, that's my thoughts for retirement income. It's easy, it's recurring, you can control how much it is. You could build it up, say to a certain amount, and then you can taper it back down if you want. So you can control. It's just like the volume on my radio. I can turn it up and I can turn it down when I get old and tired, and I can do it from anywhere all along the way. All right, I hope you have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.